So, hi dear Pisces, a very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal, no contact reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 31st of March till the 6th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and action can be from your side also if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below. I'm soon launching my self-love course. It's going to give you this feeling of rebirth, 30 days challenge. It's going to make you feel like a totally different person, the best version of yourself. Let's see, Pisces. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the King of Swords, the Seven of Swords, and the Five of Swords. Okay, so in their feelings, they feel like they got the ultimate clarity about the situation. There is nothing left. There is nothing hidden in the situation from them, from you. Everything is crystal clear, and they feel like right now they should just listen to their mind and their ego and their pride. And their ego and pride is telling them to cut the situation out of their life and never look back, because they got to know something about the situation and everything is crystal clear in front of them now, and they are choosing their mind over their heart. They are choosing their ego and pride over their feelings. Wow. Because something deceptive came to light. Even if they are the one who did that, they don't care. Right now they feel like, okay, now everything is out and everything is crystal clear. Now I should just protect myself and protect my ego and pride. That's more important than love. Okay. Yep. They're just trying to figure out a way to find out a solution to the problem, but internally. And on the exterior they're like, I don't care, I don't give a damn. Pisces and me, duh, not happening like that. Because they just want to protect they just feel like they should protect their ego and pride at any cost. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions? We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Five of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, their intention is to have slow and steady progress in steady whatever progress in this direction, and come out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy, and keep moving forward in their life without looking back. They're waiting for the time when the wheel is going to turn in their favor, and they will be able to be at peace, when they will be able to feel the stability, the groundedness, the maturity that they want to feel right now. Hmm? This person is feeling defeated by multiple things, multiple energies, multiple uh, circumstances, but they refuse to be honest with themselves, right? So they just want to protect their pride at any cost. But in their on a soul level, this person just feels wants to wait for the right time, and they will be able to have a very stable, very nurturing, and peaceful energy that they are craving for right now at this present moment. They just want to be happy. They just want to be happy. Every one of us wants to be happy, but the way this person is handling this situation is kind of immature-ish. This is how they might have handled everything in their life, and this is how they operate. hmm It's not about you only. They are going through multiple things, multiple energies at the same time, and it's pissing them off to the level of, I don't care. Enough is enough. Okay. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 6th of April. We have the Two of Wands, the Hermit, and the Eight of Cups. Yeah, they are just waiting for the time when they will be able to completely move on from the situation, when they will be able to completely detach from the situation, and they have to never look back. I don't see this person taking any kind of action in this direction, Pisces, because this person is using all of their wisdom and knowledge and experiences in order to understand that this situation is kind of over, and they should not invest anymore in the situation, not too much anymore. And they just want to wait for the time when they will be able to completely move on from the situation, and maybe then in the future they will think about you know doing something about the situation. Pisces, in the earlier reading, I don't think you are dealing with the same energy. This energy and the reading that I did, like for Pisces journal of reading, this energy and that energy is completely two different energies. This energy is not the same. Don't mix and match them. For you, the guidance here is the Six of Swords. Keep moving ahead, Pisces. Keep moving ahead and find your own peace. Keep moving ahead toward calmer water. Definitely find your peace, but you have to let go of the past baggages one day at a time. If you are going to keep moving ahead in your life with the same kind of limiting beliefs, sorry, with the same kind of past baggages, then you are going to create the same kind of energies again and again and again until you are going to break the cycle or break the chain one day. I'm about to vomit or something, I don't know. Yeah. So keep in mind that you have to let go of the past baggages one day at a time, limiting beliefs one day at a time. Self worth, self importance, self care is very, very important, but so is to remove the past baggages, past energies. Then only you will be able to proceed further, right? And find the kind of peace that you're looking forward to have in your life, the actual peace, not the false ones. Yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.